Unit 4, Lesson 6. Question 11. We use the Venn diagram to answer the following questions. Question A. Calculate the number of children who does not like any of the colors is 1. Question B. Calculate the value of x if there are 30 students in kindergarten. Add all the numbers, equate to 30. We get x equals 5. Part C. The intersection part of all three circles is 3. Union of all three circles is 29. The number of children who like red, 2 plus 2x plus 3 plus x. And we know from part 2, x is 5. That is equal to 20. The number of children who like only red is 2. Question 2. A packet of seed contain 20% of blue seeds and 80% of yellow seeds. Before we answer any of these questions, we write the probabilities on each branch in this tree diagram. 20% blue seeds, therefore 0.2. 80% yellow seeds, so 0.8. The probability that blue seed grows is 0.9 and does not grow is 0.1. Yellow seeds grow is 0.8 and does not grow is 0.2. Using these probabilities, we can answer the following questions. Part A. Calculate the probability that the chosen seed is blue and grows. Blue is 0.2 and grows is 0.9. Similarly, we will answer part B and C. Part D, given the seed grows, calculate the probability that it is yellow. It is a conditional probability question.